So in order to delete your BandLab account, firstly you will need to uninstall the app. That means you have to sign out, because if you do so while having this app on your mobile, browser will gonna directly open your app and you will not be able to delete your account. So first of all, you will need to visit your profile, open BandLab app, visit your profile, and then click on the settings icon. After clicking on the settings icon, click on the account option. After clicking on the account option, there will be no option to delete your account. Now click on your profile. There's also no option to delete your account permanently. Now you'll need to sign out. Simply confirm the sign out and then let it sign out, and after that you will need to uninstall the app. Simply uninstall the app, after which you're going to use any suitable browsers or search engine to just delete your BandLab account permanently. So I'm going to use Google. So just open any of the browser and search BandLab on it. Now the first site that will appear will be official one, so make sure you click on the official website. So I'm going to search BandLab here. So let's wait. Now after searching BandLab, there's official, the first one is its official website, so I'm going to click on it. Now make sure, if you have used any other social media to create an account on BandLab, make sure your cookies are on, like Google or Facebook. If you have used these apps, make sure your cookies are on, because if your cookies are not on, there will be a problem of password or something like that while logging in your account. So here you can see how I'm allowing my cookies. Now that was quite too fast, but I have to maintain the length of the video as well, so sorry for that. I have created my account with Google, so I'm going to select my account. So I'm going to select my account from which I have created account. So let's wait. And now you can see that here there's an option of profile over here. Now you have to click on it. Simply click on it, and there you'll find lots of options. Now let's cancel this first. Now after canceling it, I'm going to click on the 3 lines. After clicking on the 3 lines, I'm going to account. So this is where we are going to find the delete account option. So here the last option is to delete your account. After clicking on the delete your account option, you will need to choose a reason. Okay, so if none of the reasons is suitable for you, you can click on other and type your reasons. It should be minimum of 15 words and maximum of 32 words. So that's it. So after typing my the reason, I'm going to click on the delete account button. So now let me tell you, when you delete your account, all your content will be irretrievably deleted along with it, except for your comments you posted and content you have shared with other users, such as your revision in a band. Okay, so finally you will not be able to create a new account with the same username and email address for about 6 months. Also, you can change your account details if required in settings before deleting your account.